Hey, happy Christmas, Drew James here from learnguitarinlondon.com, and I have got a beginner's friendly version of Jingle Bells for you. Now, if it's going to be a bit too much to be able to remember all this, there is guitar music for this available completely for free at my website. I've left a link in the video right now and also a link in the video description. Just takes name and email address, and then you can have the tab for Jingle Bells so that you can play it for your family and friends at Christmas. So it's a nice beginner's lesson. I know I was playing it a little fast at the beginning, but I'm going to be teaching it to you slowly and patiently like I do all my beginner's lessons. Let's get started. Okay, so if you're a complete beginner, the guitar has 6 strings, and each one of those strings has a name. Eddie 8 Dynamite Goodbye Eddie. So that's EADGBE. So I'm just using that acronym to remember the names of the strings. Now for this particular song, you never use anything more than the bottom 3 strings. So that's the G, B and the E string. So hopefully you've got the tab from Learn Guitar in London, and now let's start having a look how to do the first part. Okay, so it's really important if I say use, we're on the 2nd fret, so this is fret 1, this is fret 2, that you fret in the middle of the fret, not close to the metal marker, and you try to use the tip of your finger, even if it does hurt a little bit at the moment. Also, if you are going to use the 2nd fret, can you please use your middle finger? If you use the 3rd fret, use your ring finger, and if you use the 4th fret, use your pinky finger. We are going to be moving our fingers up and down the neck. This is called going up because the sound is getting higher. This is called getting lower because the sound going down the neck because the sound's getting lower. Okay, so the beginning, middle finger on 2nd fret on the G string, then 2nd fret on the string below. Now I like to use my ring finger for that, so you could do this. See what I've done there? Okay, then open on that string, then ring finger on 3rd fret on B. So you've got, okay, good so far, right? Then come back to that 2 on the G string. So it's, then hit that 2 twice. And if you're using a plectrum, I'd like to go down up. It's called alternate picking, or if that's too difficult, just do down down for now. So it's, then play the 2 again, then 2 on the E string, open on the E string, 3 on the B, then open on the B. Open just means playing nothing, 0. Notice I'm not holding anything down, but I'm still plucking the string. So far we've got, well done. Next part, open on B, 3rd fret on thinnest, 2nd fret on the thinnest or the E, then open on that string, so it's, then 2 on the string above on the B string, so it's, and then move up to the 5th fret on the thinnest string with your index finger. So it's a big move, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You might have a dot on your guitar to show you where fret 5 is, it's your 2nd dot. Play that twice, sorry, 3 times. Then with ring finger play fret 7 on the thinner string. Then open on the string twice. Then as you're playing the opens, move your hand back down to 2. Okay, so that little bit was, five, 5, 5, 7, open, open, 2. And I'm just going to do from the open on the B, 3, and move up to fret 5. Okay, very good. Now the next bit is the same as the first part that you learnt, so that's, okay, simple, right? Next, we're going to go open on B, 3 on the string below, 2nd on the string below, then open. then to 5 on the thinnest string again. Now this time I'm using my ring finger. Actually, sorry, use your index finger, don't copy me. Do as I say, not as I do. Then up to fret 5, 3 times, then a further 2 more times. So we go 5, 5, 5, 5, 5. Then 7 on the thinnest string. Then back to 5. Then down to 2. Then 3 on the B string. Okay, so I'll do that part again. 3, 2, 0, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 7, 7, 5, 2, 3 on the B, then 5 on the E just before we start the next bit. I'll do that one more time. Okay, now the chorus. Get to the 2nd fret on the thinnest string. We're going to be staying there. We're going to hit it 6 times. So we go 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. Then use your little finger for 5 if you can, or you can move it up. 2, 5, 2, 5. Then 3 on B. Then open on thinnest string. Then 2 on thinnest string. So it's... And from the beginning of the chorus... 2, 2, 2, 2, 5, 3, open 2. Okay? Then go to 3rd fret on the thinnest string. You're going to play that 5 times. 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, then down to 2. So notice I'm using middle and index there. 2, 2, 2, 2, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 2, 2, 2, 2. Then play 2 again, then open on the thinnest string, then back to 2 on the thinnest, then open, then 5, and that time I like to use my little finger. So I'll go from the 3s. And from the beginning of the chorus, from the 2s. Okay, now, repeating the chorus, back to the 2s. 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 5, 3 on B, open 2. Then this is exactly the same. 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 2, 2, 2, 2. Then the ending, 5. I like to use my little finger. You can move up, as I said. To be honest, it doesn't matter. I just want you to get the tune at the moment. 5, 5, 3, open. Then finish on, I'm doing a D chord, or you can just finish on 3 if you find the D a little bit more challenging. D is 2nd fret on G, 2nd fret on E, 3rd fret on B, and then you strum the bottom 4. Or you can just finish on the D note. Or... Okay, so I'll just play the whole song at medium tempo from the beginning. 3, 4. So notice the fingers that I was using there. It'd be really good if you could copy those and enjoy.